Hey everybody, it's Maya, hairstylist, entrepreneur, and business coach. I've created an amazing system that helped me reach 6 figures in a new city. The name of the system is called Make 6 Figures in Your City. On June the 19th, I will be hosting a free live webinar teaching you about this system. This is for hairstylists, entrepreneurs, and 9-to-5 workers who make over $5K a month and want to double their income and own their own freedom. As a business owner, I know how hard it is to be profitable, reach your goals, stay accountable for your goals, and just being able to just stay focused with everything that you have to take care of. So I created this system. I'm offering a mentorship, VIP days, and online courses for anyone who wants guidance, help, and support on their journey. So feel free to join me at this live webinar June the 19th. It starts at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Thank y'all. Hope to see you there.